Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an Uber drivers account in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the Uber drivers application on your device. Then you need to simply launch it, and the interface of this app will look something like this, where you need to simply press continue in the bottom. Once you do this, you will be shown this type of page where it will ask you to provide your phone number or your email address in order to log in into your account. So you need to provide these details, and then you will see this type of page in front of you. Now these details may vary from country to country, so according to your own country you will see these types of details over here. So you need to provide or upload these documents. So here you will see your driver's license. This will ensure or validates that you meet the Uber Eats age and experience requirements. Then you will have the vehicle registration, proof of insurance, and your background check consent. So you will have to provide each and every document that is given over here, and you need to upload that. After doing this step, you just have to simply wait for some time until your application is under review. So once it is activated successfully, your account will be activated after the approval, and you will be able to easily start using Uber drivers application. So this step is main, so make sure that you upload the documents carefully and with good light. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.